This is a quick demonstration of the program I use to record my video lectures and presentations. The program I'm using is Obs Studio. It's free and it's very powerful, but it's slightly difficult to get started with, so that's what I want to show here. So you just download it from obsproject.com and install it. When you install it, you'll have this blank screen. And if you try to start recording, it'll just record a blank screen. So the point with OBS is that everything is split up in scenes, and each scene is comprised of sources. So the first thing you have to do to record anything whatsoever is to add a source. And you can do all kinds of stuff. The first I want to do is to add a video capture device. Video capture device first. Let's say we want a webcam. And here I can then select all the video sources that OBS can find, and I'm just selecting, this is my primary webcam, but I can also select my secondary webcam. I can do all kinds of configuration. So, and when I have it, I can change the size. So that could be one scene, me sitting here and talking. But I could then add another scene. Yeah, let's just call it scene 2 this time. And then I might want to present something in PowerPoint. So first I make sure that PowerPoint is open. So I open PowerPoint. You cannot see that because it's on another screen, but it could be in the background or anything like that. And then I say window capture. And it'll suggest a program. And right now, by coincidence, it detected PowerPoint first. But I also have MATLAB running or Windows Explorer. Oh, okay, it could find the calculator too, but I don't know why. So now I have my PowerPoint presentation. It's not exactly in presenter mode, but I could do that. And then I could add video capture, my webcam. I already have made that, so I just add the same one. And then I can adjust the size. So I could have my little smiley face down here. And I could add all kinds of other things to the same screen. And now I can quickly change back and forth between me being full screen, the secondary screen. I also have a drawing program where I can draw things in. Let's see, I have mischief here. So let's add scene 3 and say that is again a window capture. And that's mischief. So now I could do some drawings. Okay, my secondary screen is very big, so that's I should adjust the size of that because a lot of it is outside the screen, but you can see the point. And I can quickly change to my PowerPoint, to the drawing, to the PowerPoint, to me talking. And all of that I can record just by pressing start recording. It'll start record and it'll follow all of this back and forth. And I can see the sound level. All of this is based on me having 2 screens, but if you didn't have 2 screens, you would just minimize this, and having all of this running in the background, I would be able to draw. And and I could use hotkeys to switch back and forth. But since I have two screens, I really like having this program on one screen and my presentation on another screen. If you have a laptop and a screen you are connected to that, it'll work the same way. So just to show the recordings, I should press show recordings. It'll show the folder where it's saved. Settings, the only thing I really usually change is the output settings. I change it to advanced. Recording, I say MP4 format. I use an editor to clip the ends of my recording and correct the sound a little bit. You don't really need that, but I like to do it, and that's much easier in MP4 format. And this is where the files are saved. You can change the folder you're saving it in. That's the only thing that I'll change. So that's a quick introduction to how OBS works. When you get into it, it's actually really simple and really powerful. And I do almost all of my recordings in this program.